This video I'm going to teach you on how to make thumbnail very fast. So now I had to Google a man with a wow emotion. So after a long search, it was kind of long, but finally I found this one and I had it downloaded. So the next thing I did was to search for YouCut logo on the Google browser, and see this one. I had it also downloaded. Next thing, it's to download the Google logo. So you can actually download anything you want. Just let's watch. I downloaded the Google logo, and next is my impression background. So I had it downloaded. This one, to be precise. Next thing is I went to BG remover and I removed the background for the man with the wow emotion. It was finally removed. Then I went on to remove the object in the educational background. Removed 3 objects. This is a very nice BG remover. So I had to YouCut. I headed to YouCut and to cut the Google logo and placed it at top right, top left, sorry, and my plus icon, YouCut logo. So you can actually do place your own anyhow, but this is how I made this thumbnail that I use in this video. You can rate it, but this is how fast I made it, because like I said, I had difficulties with it. So I'm just a new YouTube user, so we can grow together. Please subscribe. So after that, I screenshotted it, and it did not work the first time when I went to my Google Photo Lab. So I screenshotted it the second time, and finally I had to go to my extra editor. So after that was all. I saved it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.